In this video, I will show you how to follow friends playlist on Spotify. Firstly, when you get into that fiction and you want to get up and follow friends playlist on that site, you need to take up and on that search box, and simply here you need to type the username of that friend. For example, it is this one. Go for it, and then you need to find out, go on your right side, go profiles, to take a look on the right session, because as you can see it has many different sites with this name. And when you get into that fiction, what you need to do next, simply you need to open up the side section from it and then go to his or her profile my list section, and then if you want to take over, as you can see this playlist is empty, but if you want to take over and follow that playlist, because it is empty, you cannot follow it. But if you get back and take a look on this profile, for example, and also here it is, right here you can simply getting up and now go on the three dots right here and go with that site in which you're gonna like it, and with this you're gonna simply take it over to follow this site, or simply if you go for add to queue, you're gonna getting up into that file, or you have the third option in which you can add to other playlist this playlist from this friend. Also, you can getting up on that file to follow this friend. As you can see, just go follow, and guys, now we have done it.